Hello and welcome to Emerald Meadows, your one-stop place for 3D printing. It's been a while since I did a 3D printing video. I've been doing this for 15 years, but I thought today would be a good day to start the discussion about a very popular 3D printer, the Bambu Labs models A1, A1 Mini, and their other various models. And the question is, I want you to know certain facts before you buy it. Now, for those that already have multiple printers, that have 3 or 4 generations of a printer, bypass this video. This is really strictly designed for newbies. People with families, with kids, and they want to enjoy the printing process. They're not into hobby of tearing it apart and putting it back together again. So I want to help them, hopefully, get off to a good start. Okay, let's get started. First of all, if I recommend anything, ignore most of the videos. If I can recommend anything, please ignore most of the videos that you're seeing out there about the Bambu Labs A1. These are people that have been in the business for a long time. They have multiple printers, and they make their money making these videos. This isn't helpful for you, the first-time newbie 3D printer. A lot of the stuff that they're suggesting, I'm going to show in later videos, I think can actually harm your printer. I think if properly cared for, this printer will last for a very long time. So these are great learning tools for your family. I know that if done properly, you will enjoy this printer, I think, for years to come. To give an example, I know that at my first printer, my grandson, who's now in university, one of the things that he commented on is that he found that knowing how to 3D print and working in his labs gave him a big advantage when he's doing work at university. So it is quite the learning tool and something that you really need to be knowledgeable for the future, because they are getting to the point where they're becoming a lot more functional. Okay, at this point in time, let's get started. In this first video, we're going to be dealing with one of the, I find, most important issues in the Bambu Labs printers, and that is the quality of service. Although I love this printer, it does a lot of colors seamlessly, and you'll see in the next video, I'll be talking about filaments, and then another one about dealing with some modifications. But I just want you to know, for a newbie, I didn't find that I had a lot of good service. It's well built. It will last quite a ways. But trying to get help was sketchy. A lot of times I would have to paraphrase what I was asking. Obviously, I think there's a bit of a language issue there. And as you can see, I've been doing this for 15 years, and I have quite a bit of experience in printing. And with many different models, but mainly what they call bed slingers. But this is different. My Prusa printer, which is now, I'm waiting for a part for, I can actually get a hold of Prusa 724, and there'll be somebody there that will help me fix this problem. I don't believe that's going to be the case with the Bambu printers. I think that because of the price point, that's where they're really going to have the community help you. But that can get dangerous. They're not experts. They could tell you to do things that could actually harm your printer, and you would never know where the error was in the first place. So that's my only caveat. If you're really thinking of getting this printer, I like it. I would recommend it. I just want you to know that there will be limitations on the service that you're going to be getting from this company. At least that has been my experience. If they get back to me and tell me, no, I'm wrong, or explain what I'm doing wrong, I'll be sure to amend this video to reflect any new realities that are coming along. Anyway, this is a series. Also, this is a cautionary tale. If you need a lot of service, probably this isn't going to work for you. So the next video, we're going to be talking about filament. They're going to be short videos, very pithy, very short, so that you're not going to be spending 15-20 minutes to find out something very basic. But anyway, thank you a lot for watching today, and look forward to you watching my next video on filaments. And so please subscribe and like this video. It really does help motivate me to keep on doing more videos of this type. And as before, I received no products from any of these companies. I've probably spent and wasted so much money on printers over time. But I don't get any endorsement money, nor do I want any endorsement money. I want to be able to give you a free opinion as to what I think these printers are like. Anyway, we will see you next time at Emerald Meadows, where we'll be talking about the A1 series printers and filaments. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.